Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you a lot of things that you need to understand about Injective and how to navigate around it. So, Injective is a layer 1 blockchain and they are specifically built to be a financial hub where people can build and deploy their decentralized financial applications, something like perpetual desk, option desk, decentralized exchanges, uh, lending and borrowing protocols, and probably AMM, automated market makers. These are all levels and groups of financial and DeFi applications that you can build on Injective. And Injective is actively involved in they are actively involved in consistently launching developer toolkit. I'm a tool developer, and one thing in the programming world is that developers need tools that can make it a little bit easy for them to build and deploy on certain protocols. So Injective has launched a lot of tools to make it easy for you to build and deploy your financial application on their network. So recently they launched an Injective EVM that makes it possible to deploy your smart contract written in Solidity on Injective. So what this does is that you've written a smart contract in Solidity, you don't need to begin to write it again or begin to modify your codes so that it can be able to suit the Injective network. No, what you need to do is just to deploy on Injective using the INAVM. So, and previously Injective launched what is called a Cascade. So what that does is that it's more like an EVM, but it's for Solana. What it does is that it does what EVM does for Ethereum. That's what it does for Solana. So since it has achieved that with Solana, so when you build on the Ethereum EVM, you can connect seamlessly with number one, IBC chains, Solana protocols, everything surrounding the Solana ecosystem and with the Ethereum ecosystem. So you now see that Injective lies at the focal point in the industry today, making it the most sought after blockchain. So this is one of the things I specifically want to let you know, and some other things. So as we all know, the founder of Injective is Eric Chen. Yes, he's a core developer. What we mean by being a core developer is that somebody who is into building core infrastructure, building the underlying technology that powers what you see on the front. So that's it. So should in case you want to join, should in case you want to write smart contracts, I will drop a link on the description box. What you need to do is just to quickly click on the link. It will direct you to the documentation. They provided you with a very nice documentation so that it will be easy for you to go through the documentation. Just like if you're a Web2 developer, you go through a JavaScript documentation, go to PHP documentation and React.js documentations. When you go through all of these things, it makes it easy for you to understand what the thing is all about and be able to use it and leverage on it to build whatever thing you want to build. So that's it. So I have gone through the documentation on Injective and I have discovered they made it available. They is filled with the knowledge and everything you need to know so that you can be able to build sustainable apps sustainable and nice infrastructure. So, and they have also made it possible that you can leverage on what is called plug and play module. So you don't even need to begin to write most setting codes yourself. So what you need really is just to plug a certain component, something like a tailwind component when you are writing React.js. So you don't need to begin to write a certain thing like the navbar or begin to write the footer yourself. So what you need to do is just to grab the component, then modify it yourself. That's what I mean by plug and play modules in when you are in Web3 development. So there's a lot of things, a lot of amazing features like instant finality. Instant finality is a concept that has to do with when you make a transaction, you don't need to begin to wait ages or decades before it is verified and is verified and is being hashed on the chain. And one other thing is they have large user base for developers, so you don't need to begin to wonder how you're going to get liquidity and users. So when you begin to build on Injective, you can leverage on the user base and the liquidity that is present within the ecosystem to seamlessly run as a protocol. So one other thing is transaction TPS. We usually call it TPS, transaction per seconds, very fast and low transaction fees. These are some of the amazing features that is within the Injective ecosystem. And recently there has been things like launching of NFTs on Injective. So these NFTs, it has been growing for me. I see a very big future with it. So I encourage you, you can check one or two things and find a way to buy one or two. So one thing you will not fail to do for me in this video is please like this video, share this video, and please press the subscription button. Press the subscription button. As you remain your friend, I am Alice Fred.